Now coming to the second type of the connective tissue, that is supportive connective tissue. In the supportive connective tissue, the matrix is rigid, that is the matrix in which the cells are embedded, that is very hard. It is of two types, bone and the cartilage. First is the bone. Bone is very strong, we all know. It is rigid, it is hard, it is porous, that is it have so many pores on it. Now it is filled with the phosphate and carbonates of the calcium and magnesium, right? Then blood vessels and the nerves, they are present in the bones. Now what is the function of the bones? So we know that bones, they protect internal organs and provide support to our body. It help in the locomotion. It also provide the structural framework to our body. So these are some functions of the bones. Now coming to the second, that is cartilage. Now cartilage is mainly non-porous tissue. So this is the difference between the bone and cartilage, that cartilage is the non-porous tissues. Now cartilage, it is found where it is present. So it is present in our nose tip, it is present in the ear pinna. Ear pinna, you all know, the outer part, that is external ear, there it is present. Then it is also present in the rings of windpipe. Our windpipe, it is having this type of C-shaped cartilaginous rings. These type of the rings are present in our windpipe, which prevent the collapse of the windpipe. It is trachea और windpipe. सो इसके अंदर इस तरह से सी शेप की बनी हुई कार्टिलेज की रिंग्स प्रेजेंट होती हैं, जो कि इसको कॉलेप्स से प्रिवेंट करने का काम करती हैं. अगर ये नहीं होंगी तो ये ट्रैकिया आपका कॉलेप्स हो जाएगा. बट इट डज नॉट हैपन ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द रिंग्स ऑफ द कार्टिलेज विच आर प्रेजेंट इन आर विंड पाइप. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ कार्टिलेज, its function is it provide support and flexibility. Flexibility in the vertebrate body. It also smoothens the bone surface. First function is it provides support and flexibility in the vertebrate body, and the second, it smoothens bones surface at the joints. जहाँ कहीं पे भी joints होते हैं वहाँ पे ये bone surface को smooth करने का काम करते हैं. Now if we find out what is the difference between the cartilage and the bone. So the first difference is that cartilage, it is very soft, it is flexible. Bones, they are hard and inflexible. Cartilage, it is non-porous. Bones, they are porous. Third important point, blood vessels are absent in cartilage, but in case of the bones, the blood vessels are present. Now in cartilage, the matrix is made up from the protein, but in the bones, the matrix, it is made up from the salts of the calcium and magnesium, and mainly calcium phosphate. So these are some main differences between the bones and the cartilage.